Right, now we're doing the video of you kick my dog and action.
You kick my dog, you kick my dog, you kick my dog.
I'm so sorry.
You kick my dog, you kick my dog. How dare you kick my dog? My pup, you did not, you kick my dog, you kick my dog. How dare you kick my dog? How dare you?
Daddy,
She kicked my dog.
Daddy, where are you? Where are you? Daddy,
What
Daddy,
happened? What happened?
Daddy, this, a man, I didn't mean to kick his dog.
What, do you know his number? What's it? I've got his number. Be quiet, be quiet. Right. Hello. Right. But I heard my daughter kicked your dog.
Excuse me, who are you, please?
I'm acting like you because I do not like you.
Why don't you not like me?
Because you kicked my daughter kicks your dog, and who cares about your dog?
I care about my dog very much. And who is this, please? Please, who is this?
I'm not telling you who it is, alright? Because I'm gonna call the government on you.
No, really, please tell me who this is.
This is Louis Roebuck, and he's about to kick your butt.
Who's Louis Roebuck?
Bye. I'm
No,
angry with
wait,
you.
wait,
No,
please,
no.
please,
Okay.
explain more.
Explain more. Fuck you.
Who is
Bye.
your daughter? Who is your daughter? Bloody idiot. Put the phone down.
Daddy, did you start it? Where's my daddy? Oh yes, I'm so fun. Anyway, what do I do now? Oh well, I just got skip in the class again. La, la, la.